Around our world, energy demand is soaring. As costs rise and sustainability becomes urgent, one U.S.-based company is driving an efficiency movement, one rooftop at a time.
The company was originally started back in 2010 when I had a vision of lowering energy consumption in refrigeration and HVAC.
From the FridgeWize headquarters in Kansas City, Ryan Grobler's vision is transforming energy consumption in 50,000 locations in the U.S., Canada, Mexico, and South Africa.
And today we are the leader in the industry in retrofit across the board with HVAC and refrigeration motors, lowering costs by providing smart motor packages to the industry.
Starting small with walk-in freezers and coolers, FridgeWize experimented with retrofit solutions, swapping older motors with new and efficient models. Tracking energy usage, they were able to show granular data on motor energy use and how a system upgrade could drastically reduce consumption and cost.
With that information, we could go to the clients and show them that by removing the older technology and putting in the newer technology, we were able to save them energy and dollars and cents at the end of the day, increasing their bottom line. From there, we developed the company into a larger buffet of motors.
With success in smaller refrigeration applications, FridgeWize tackled the HVAC industry, retrofitting large, rooftop commercial units with turnkey solutions. The result? Measurable energy savings to customers and a reduction in environmental impact.
As a company, we've taken north of 5 billion kilowatt hours off the grid, and we're just scratching the surface with that.
5 billion kilowatt hours. That's enough to power every home in Kansas City for more than a decade.
What we accomplish here at our headquarters is allowing for harnesses, cards, and other products to be put around the motors so that they become retrofittable and we can drop them into the retrofit market.
With growing opportunities to slash energy usage carbon footprints on every continent, FridgeWize searched for a business partner with those same sustainability ambitions.
We created a relationship with ABB, knowing that they are the world's largest motor manufacturer, and the product is a high quality product with great energy savings, and we were able to work with a local branch of ABB.
The ABB partnership is now a driving force behind the success of FridgeWize.
So, ABB obviously is our number one select motor that we like to go to market with, just through reliability, name brand obviously, and then the ability that ABB has allowed us to create motors that fit the market.
EC Titanium, ABB's highly efficient motor system, combines synchronous reluctance and permanent magnet technologies for a sustainable, wirelessly connected solution. From 1 to 20 horsepower, these ABB motors are the backbone of FridgeWize's turnkey packages. ABB motors run cooler, longer, and quieter. The FridgeWize model is tailored to clients. From audit to installation to the rebate guidance, its process accelerates ROI while unlocking powerful financial incentives.
Prepping the motors here in-house, programming them, making sure that they're functioning correctly in their ranges, allow for an easy installation in the field, and allow for optimal energy savings on all the products that we offer the industry.
It's attention to detail that's getting noticed, with honors like RAC Cooling Industries Innovation of the Year and Environmental Leaders Top Product of the Year.
Knowing that refrigeration and HVAC use the amount of energy they use on this planet, I know we can make a difference with this type of product.
Together, ABB and FridgeWize isn't just a business alliance, it's truly a shared mission to build a more sustainable, resilient future.
I want my children to look back at what I did for the planet and for the lowering of kilowatt hour rates, and to be proud of that, to get us to a point today where we are sustainable and we still have energy grids and we can function as a society.
ABB and FridgeWize, retrofitting today to power tomorrow.